you got right here?
And today we got the Rival brand.
MudHawk 10, people.
Yep, it's 120 cc's.
120 cc's of pure fun.
Yep. So this is the assembled version, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the battery in it and go ahead and put some gas in it.
And we're going to take it down the street.
Yep.
With me on it again.
Yep, and as well, I'm going to check it out too.
Really?
Yep. So let's go ahead and get the battery in this, and yeah.
I have a feeling I know where the battery goes.
Yeah, and go over a few things. So let's get on with it.
Shelly! Ow! Stop touching me!
Alright guys, we're back. We got the battery in. What you see, it got some fuel in it. We're going to get the seat on.
Remember, you got to unwrap your seat before you wrap your meat.
Yep. Now, if you notice on the seat too, it's got the little embroidered side that says Rival there, Rival Motorsports. That's kind of cool. I really like it. And then on this one too, I wanted to point out, you got access to everything right here when you didn't have access like that before. So, because all the electronics are sealed up in the front here now.
We have easy access panels to things in on Moose Mountain too, especially when it gets cold and you wear them long johns. Get easy access panels in those.
Yep. So let's get the seat on and get this thing started, shall we?
We shall.
Let's get on with it. There we go.
Look at that, it goes right on there.
Turn the key on. LED light there.
LED. Rock on, LED.
LED display. Ooh, it's even got RPMs.
Miles per hour.
Ooh.
And look at that, look at that, look at that. Check it out. It says 0.0.
So it's got 0 miles. So let's get it started.
Okay. Oh, what you do? Oh, there it goes. Wow, people. You should smell it from behind. I'm going to stand over here now.
It does have an RPM gauge as well.
Where?
So we're going to go ahead and get this thing out and go ahead and ride it up and down the street.
He means me.
And get right back to you guys.
Right on.
So let's get on with it.
Shut it! Oh! I got him this time, people. There's no messing around today, people. Not today.
Alright guys, so there you have it. There's a Rival Motorsports MudHawk 10, 120cc
This thing
four-wheeler.
was a lot more fun than the MudHawk 6. I'll tell you what.
Yeah, and you know what? It was a lot smoother than the Cheetah. This thing was really, really smooth. Got it up to 31 miles an hour. I think it still had a little bit more. We beg to differ. We'll have to see once it's broke in.
This thing has an engine cradle that's sealed off from the rest of the chassis, and it stops the vibration from going up your spine.
Yeah, it actually has bushings that separate the cradle from the frame.
Smooth
So
operator.
there's a lot less vibration, especially at high speeds. I was really surprised.
31 miles an hour.
For a little ATV like this, 31 miles an hour is pretty darn good. So it is governed. You can actually lower it down to get it to go slower.
If you want to get it for the chitlin that just grew a little taller.
Yep, and just like the MudHawk 6, it does have the safety features. It does have the plug that you clip on, and if it unplugs, it shuts down. It also has the remote start and stop.
And a fully digital dash, too, people.
Yes, this one does have
Fully
a fully
digital.
digital dash.
It's really neat.
It's got an RPM gauge.
Yes,
It's
it
got
does.
a gear indicator. It's also got a headlight indicator.
You know what else it's got on it?
And a miles per hour and an odometer.
You know what else it's got now?
What else?
2 miles on it.
2 miles.
2 miles.
Yes.
That's how far we go with people, 2 whole miles.
Yep.
Aren't you impressed?
Yeah. So anyways, I kind of like this. It's a cool little thing. Never know. This might stay in the Luch Mob garage. We'll just have to see.
It will definitely stay in Dorito's garage either way it happens.
Yep. So anyways, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching.
Dorito.
And the Lucha Cabre. Don't forget to hit that like button if you already haven't.
And subscribe. That's
Yep.
right.
So thanks for watching.
You guys rock. As always, continue rocking. We're out.
Peace.